In this video, we are going to cover the e-file page. I commonly refer to this page as basically your bank product page. You're selecting your disbursement type. So we've completed the federal, we've completed the healthcare, we completed our state, we've completed our EIC due diligence in the events that you have it, and now we're on to selecting the disbursement type for our refund. Okay, or if you had a balance due, basically, how do you want that? How do you want to take care of that? In this case, we do have a refund. So under our federal return type, how do we want to receive this? Are they going to e-file the return with a paper check? Are they going to e-file the return with an IRS direct deposit? Please understand that any time you don't see a bank in front of it, that means it is not a bank product. We've made it very clear, or as clear as possible, that if it doesn't have the bank information in front of it or the bank name, that is not a bank product. And we will also provide warnings that you need to collect from your taxpayer up front if it is not a bank product. Inevitably, every year, unfortunately, somebody will bypass this screen thinking they're doing everything correctly and send off returns without a bank product, which I don't know how you do that without getting signatures on the bank application and so forth, but it'll definitely put a damper on your tax season. So I'm going to select the bank product. In this case, it's a Refund Advantage ERC, electronic refund check. So we're going to be printing this off in our office. ERD is electronic refund deposit. A Refund Advantage card is a card. A paper return with direct deposit is you're printing it out, you're mailing it in, and the IRS is going to deposit your funds. And a paper return is exactly that. It's just going to be a paper return. Okay. So we're going to click Refund Advantage ERC. I'm going to click Next. Here comes our tax preparation fees. You can see that we have the Audit Maintenance Pro in there. You've got the Defend My ID identity theft product in there as well. So I'm going to change these tax prep fees, $350. You'll see that it crosses out the calculated prep fee amount. You you can allow your preparer, or you may or may not have the ability to modify these fees based upon your permission set, and that's entirely up to the owner of the office or the manager or so forth. So I'm going to put in a prodemo@gmail.com taxpayer email address, and we're going to click Next. We're going to click the 7216. Yes, we did have them sign that. And then we're going to put in their banking information or their identification type first. And since we're doing a check, we don't have to put in their deposit account information. 2010, and the expiration date 10/10 of 2020. Great. And where was this? We are in the great state of Florida. There we are. And we click Next. Okay. If you want your third-party designee information to be in there, go for it, or you can have it blanked out in the preparer record. Up to you. We're going to click Save. Once we hit Save, we're going on to the e-file page. The submission screen, as a lot of people refer to it as. I'm going to save this for another video. Again, our objective here was to walk you through the e-file page just at a high level. We selected a bank product. From there, we put in our preparation fees, selected our ancillary services. There could be more options on here depending on what you offer within your business. You select your bank account, the 7216 disclosure, which should have been signed at the beginning. And then we put in our taxpayer information, their ID type. If you had a married filing joint return, you'd both put it in for the primary and for the spouse. Third-party designee info is sort of optional. If you want it in there, you can have it. If not, you don't have to. And that would be in your company configuration to remove or to change that third-party designee information. Okay. If we change this out to a regular e-file paper check, what you'll see is a lot of stuff goes away on here. Tax preparation e-file fee stays the same, and what's going to happen is going to pop up a warning here. It says this return is not a bank product. You should collect your fees before e-filing. That's going to happen again as soon as you mark this return complete or you exit the return, I don't remember which one, but it will provide this warning to you. This is what I was referencing a little earlier on in the video. We're trying to make sure that nobody makes the mistake of sending off a bunch of returns without a bank product on it, if that is the desired refund disbursement method, basically collecting your fees out of the return. With that said, hopefully this portion has been extremely clear, that when you get to it, it's been covered thoroughly and you have no questions whatsoever, and life's good. Thank you so much for watching. Hope we have an amazing tax season. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks.